Satnam, my name is Tina, my spiritual name is Sanjit Prakash Kar, and welcome to this special class, which is a class for warm-ups. So whenever you would like to do your meditation, but you haven't really moved your body, it is very beneficial to move your body before you sit and meditate. Even there are just a few exercises. So this class is all about that. I will show you some exercise, we will do that together. It also helps to elevate the energy, to wake up the Kundalini, and then once we have moved the body, it's much easier to sit still if you have a meditation where you don't move. If you have a moving meditation, that's a different scenario, although it's always nice to move your body and to warm up your body before. Okay, for that we are tuning in with our mantra Om Namo Gurudev Namo, chanting it 3 times out loud together, and then we will begin. Bring your hands together in prayer pose, place your hands into your heart center, which is in the middle of your chest, so the thumb slightly touching the sternum. Your eyes are closed, you roll your eyes up, look from the inside to the point between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in, exhale, inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deep inhale and exhale. Open your eyes, grab both chins with both hands, grab your chins with both hands, and then we rock forwards and backwards. So we lift through the pelvis, pushing the chest forward, but the shoulders and hips are staying in one line. So it's just your spine moving forward and backwards. You inhale when you're in front, exhale at the back. And come back to the center. Take a deep breath in. Hold your breath. Apply the root lock. Pull the rectum, sex organ, navel point in and up. And exhale, relax. Extend your arms to your side. Bring your hands on your shoulders. Fingers are in front. Thumb is on the back. We twist to the left. Inhale, twist to the right. Exhale. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale. Come back to the center, deep inhale. And exhale. So what we are basically doing is we are, with the spinal flex and the spinal twist, we are open the channels. Okay, so the next exercise I recommend, which is really very beneficial, is the hand on your knees. It's called shoulder shrugs. And you pull your shoulders to your ears while you're inhaling and exhaling, dropping them down. And you can go very fast. You can do it a little bit slower, but try to, don't do this. Try really to pull your shoulders to your ears, okay? Don't stay here in your comfort zone. Push yourself out of the comfort zone. Okay, shoulders going towards the ears. And then dropping down. You can do it fast, you can do it slow, but you keep the pace. Consistency is key. So the rhythm is key. Let's begin. And now a deep breath in. Pull your shoulders to your ears. Hold your breath. Apply the root lock. Pull the rectum, sex organ, navel point in and up. And relax, release. Good. And bring your chin towards your chest and roll your neck just in one direction. We do it 5 times in one direction. And then once you have completed the 5th round and your chin is back to your chest, you switch the direction, you go the other way around. And there's a different noise in your vertebrae. And that's all fine. Good. Okay, so the last exercise we are doing is ego eradicator. And then you really had a nice warm-up. And maybe you can feel your body is more subtle, your spine is more subtle. Maybe you can feel a little bit of heat in your body, some tingling. Whatever you can feel, it's absolutely perfect. And if you feel nothing, that's also perfect. So don't worry about that. If you can't feel anything, it will come as more you practice. You become more sensitive and you can feel more the subtle energy in your body. So for the ego eradicator, you extend your arms to your side and then you bring your arms in a 60-degree angle. You curl your fingers down on your palms and the thumbs are plugged in, straight up, plugged in. The shoulders are released, so down, pull your shoulders to your ears, keep your shoulders down. Your eyes are closed and we do breath of fire through your nose. If you're not familiar with breath of fire, then do long breathing, deep long breathing, okay? Also, as a woman, if you are in your moon cycle, if you are pregnant, you shouldn't do breath of fire at all, unless it really feels very comfortable. I had pregnant women in my classes, and they kept doing breath of fire through the whole pregnancy, and they really, really enjoyed it. But it is a very powerful breath. Just be aware of that. So if you don't feel like that, and we have this time during our moon cycles or in our pregnancy, that we shouldn't do that at all. So rather do long, deep breathing. You will still benefit in the same way. Let's begin. Extend your arms, move them up, 60-degree angle, curl your fingers in, and begin with breath of fire. Deep inhale And you let your thumb touch above the head and you spread your fingers very wide. Hold your breath. And then your exhale, swipe through your aura. So this is a lovely warm-up series you can do before you do your meditation. Or even sometimes we do kriyas where we just have to sit very still and do some holding postures. So to do this warm-up before this other kriyas would be very beneficial for you as well. Wishing you a wonderful day, lots of love, and hope to see you in your next class. Sat Nam.